for another New York session. Let's get the show on the road. Either way, Trump speaking last night did some damage to my account. And pretty bad for the most part. We hit the daily loss limit on 2 accounts. On one of the P accounts that I took a payout from, we are now in $500, basically $460 below the buffer, but it's only down. I'm just going to look at it at the point of we're only down 500. It's not that bad. I can make a comeback. It won't be hard to come back from that and get back above the buffer. It does kind of sting because I was a moron, and that one was around 25. So now I took 1 step forward and then I took 2 steps right back. Absolutely not good at all. But we're going to be trading some other funded accounts. I'd already made money on this one that I've been taking a payout on. So I made 426 yesterday from Trump's speech. Just kind of trading the market at that point. Not gambling, but just waiting for setups. It just kind of sold. So let's see here. Looks like we kind of did a little bit of a rebound after Trump his speech absolutely kind of annihilated the market for a little bit. And then we kind of, wow, we didn't even come back up. We've just been selling overnight. Looks like we're coming back into the downtrend. Look at the daily chart here. Looks like the market is wanting to push it back down. Bulls are pretty strong, so today is the day that the bears come back and drive it down. I think everybody was going bullish yesterday in anticipation for Trump's speech, but looks like it did. The market did not like what he said, and it went down. So that's what we got. Now we're just waiting for the market open. I've already made $200, around 3 on one of the new ones. I think it was this one. No, this is the one I hit the last limit. This one, I'm up 355, so we're not going to be trading 59. I'm going to be starting out with 57 here and just take a trade here. Kind of go from there, and we will see what the market wants to give us. Got about 7 minutes until market open, so now we're just kind of chilling. We're hanging out down here. Do we get a recovery bounce and then we reject, or is the market just gonna keep selling down? And that's what we're gonna be getting. We don't know. We don't know. So best thing we can do right now is just trade what we see. Also, if you're just now tuning in, do not forget to subscribe because we are doing the giveaway at 1,000 subscribers, and I'm going to keep saying it. So when that day comes, you're not going to complain about, oh, I didn't get it because I didn't see it. Well, I've been telling you, if you watch my live streams, I've been telling y'all all day long. 6 minutes. We're kind of just hanging out up here. Market didn't break down, so it looks like the bulls trying to hold it here. Do we get the move up to VWAP at open? Let's see. We got pivots. Oh, hey, my VWAP is back. Heck yeah. We bounced right off that pivot. So we have a pivot up here around 23,927. So 23,900 basically almost is the level. Are we going to be going back up, or are we going to be coming back down? Best thing that you can do and I can do is just sometimes sit in our hands. Easier said than done sometimes, but you just gotta do what you gotta do. Right. Although, starting out, going to be looking to stick to just my base hits. I've been recently trying to tell myself that I need to stop rushing the process and try to make quick money. I mean, it's nice. But now that I have multiple funded accounts again, I don't really want to risk it. Yes, they are a little bit cheap to get started, but at the end of the day, they are still an expense, and I don't need to be blowing it like a moron. I need to be holding these like they're my babies, you know? Because they will pay. I just gotta be patient. Seems to always be kind of dark from what it looks like, but it's raining over here, so... Oh, here we go. Bulls are coming back in. Getting the move up. We got about 3 minutes until market opens, so... kind of not a bad breakout area, to be honest. You know, it's breaking out. Going up, so... that would have been a nice little 10-pointer. But I was not paying attention, so... sometimes... you snooze, you lose. You snooze, you lose. What can you do? Two minutes, 2 minutes. Right. We have about 20 seconds left. As always, this stream is not for financial advice. It is only for entertainment purposes only. Do not copy any of my trades. Y'all just gotta understand. We're open. Strong move. Oh boy, we are just blasting right up. Straight to VWAP, or we can go straight to 23,900. Got a good supply zone up here at 23,880. So if we just keep rocking it up, kind of makes sense. And VWAP is up here, so gonna be a little bit patient. Make sure my brackets are set correctly. If the market flips red here, not going to be a good look for the bulls. I think they want to keep this momentum going to the upside if they really want to bring it back up to the highs up here. Basically, kind of where we rejected for London session. Attack that pivot up there. Because we bounced off this almost perfectly, that pivot down here. Good candle on this next print. I'm probably going to look for it to do a little weak pullback and then get in long, unless the next candle just absolutely annihilates all the bulls and we get a bearish engulfing candle to the downside. Would not be a good look for the bulls. So, with that being said, I'm just waiting. We got VWAP up at 23,880s. Bulls are coming in strong here. I don't see why. I mean, I could probably take a short, go against the market for a quick 10 points, but I don't know, that's kind of risky. Let's wait for this market to close. We are above 800 now, so got another 100 points to go to 23,900. Do the bulls want that level today, or are they just going to give it up here? Kind of look at ES. ES is doing the same thing, which is good. The two are not moving in divergence, so it's great to see that. If the two are moving opposite of each other, I would be a little bit spooked to kind of go in. Ugh. Oh, that's a nasty wick. If we close red, that's not a good look for the bulls. Are they going to be able to push this back up? Man, I would have loved to have gone long up here if the market would have closed up here and we did a little weak pullback, but with this wick, I mean, it's just kind of screaming, hey, I want to just absolutely tank it back down to earth. But now we just wait. As always. Move on up. Looks like the bulls are still at a bit of steam. Are they wanting to go in? Take a short right here if they want to take it back down to earth for a quick hot minute. Let's go pump it back down to 72. Oh, get in, and then the market absolutely just cranks the heat. Tries to go back in. Let's get this flip here. Flip it back red. Should be a pretty quick flip to 72. Don't want to see it hang out up here. ES is moving back up, but there we go. Flip it red. Let's get below 75. Or is it going to edge me out? Looks like that's the case. I've been getting edged out a lot of my trades. Comes like a tick away, literally at one tick away from my take profit. And then it just absolutely cranks the other way. I'm like, dude, what's going on? You couldn't have just given me that. Couldn't have just given it to me? Tough. Looks like I'm about to get stopped out, so any moment here now. About to get stopped out. Or did we get saved by a tick? Oh, hey, look at that. Saved by a tick. All right, I didn't get edged out the bad way now. This time it was a good edge out. With that, we are moving on to another account. I've already hit the daily loss limit on a couple others, so I'm not really too overzealous to try to make some big cash. I'm gonna calm down, take a deep breath, and probably focus on some evals today too. I passed 2 yesterday, which I'm gonna be trading them today, but I really want to get more accounts funded, so we're gonna be patient. Wrecking back downtown. This is what I was afraid of. ES not quite following. Nasdaq is leading the way. A way deeper pullback. But it's also why I didn't want to go long up here. That's because we didn't close up here. Let's see, this is not one I've already traded, is it? Oh, I have. Which ones have I not traded? 60? Here, let's take this. No wick. Oh no, I missed it. I wanted to get in short on that pullback, but I was trying to figure out which account I had not already traded. That's stiff. So we traded that. We traded that. That one's lost. That one's good. That one's lost. This one's good. All right, so now we're just trading 60. Come back down. Do we come back to this level here? And then the market wants to try to crank it back up? It's the ultimate question. We're pushing back up. Didn't quite get the sell that the bears are wanting. Let's see here. ES kind of falling back down. The two are not moving in congruency. I feel like ES Nasdaq's gonna come back in. I want to see if we can get a push right back to the highs of this candle up here. Do just a little fake out, expecting everybody that it's gonna go short, and then we just push on up. So get above 50 should be a quick, pretty splash to 52, my take profit level. So let's see. Come on, bulls. We just need you to step through here, go back through 50, and go right to 52. Or maybe I got faked out. Holding up. Do we get the bulls to come through? That 50 is holding us down. Got to get above it. 46, 48, there we go. I think we should get this push. There we go. All right, I'm done trading the fund, dude. I'm just going to take a $200 win. I don't want to try to squander anything. I could definitely feel the mindset still a little bit from yesterday's session. So, I'm trying to be disciplined here. And let's go trade some evals. Try to pass some evals. How about that? Moving on down, folks. Moving on down. Jeez. My expressions are on point. I'm like zoned into my computer. When you look at yourself and you're like, what kind of expression do I have? That ain't the most prettiest. Ooh, what a nasty sell. Come back down to earth, folks. The bulls made all their money the past couple of days. The bears said, we want to, hey, give us, this is our turn now. We want in. Come back down to this pivot point. I mean, we don't have really much space down here. Flip it back down. Not going to be pretty for the bulls. Unless they want to flip it back. Red, you know what? Let's be smart here. Let's do quick gains. Baby gains. What is that? 5 points? Good. I've been kind of belligerent with my, I guess, I don't know if that's the right term, with my eval, so I want to try to be smart. I literally passed one yesterday, but I didn't close out at $3,000, and it basically just kind of killed me. I was like, Jeff. All right, let's see if we can squeeze out 5 points here. Oh, shoot. I'm about to get demolished here. Let's see. Can we get this 5-point flip up to 4? Okay, sweet. Just going to be scalping here. Really want to be smart about trying to scalp my way. I don't want to just keep blasting money, so gotta be smart. We got the lows down here, pivot. Gonna be probably, you know, I think it's kind of just thinking in terms of a trader. You would expect it to have some resistance going down here. Got some support coming in. Do we have news? Also, I haven't really checked the news either. Normally we have it at 45 and then top of the hour. Let's see, let's get another. There we go. Bulls are stepping back in. They didn't sell, so I think the Bulls are kind of taking control again. We got about 10 seconds for the new candle. He is pushing strong right back up. I think it's a chance to get in long with the Bulls. Let's see, can we get this tag in and the market just rips back up? There we go. Oh no! Wow. Straight back down. The Bulls did not have the juice. Tough. Probably still got it. Maybe they just want to fake it out a little bit longer. We're about to blow this, so let's see if we can get this flip right back up. Flip it green, dude. Let's just blast it right above 40s. Form a fat wake down here. Oh, alright, stopped out. Move on to the next. Bulls did not have it. That was a total fake out. Tough. I think we still got it though. Can we get this flip right back up to 40s? Top of the range. Bounce here. Doesn't seem like it. Bears are just too strong for the Bulls right now. Alright, so that eval is gone. But I think we're gonna call it there in terms of trading. I mean, I've made money on the funded account, so I'm gonna be smart and just walk away here. I'm definitely not gonna go back and trade any of my funded accounts. Hit the daily loss limit on a couple, but hey, now I'm just gonna focus on passing evals. I'm probably just gonna do that off stream, to be honest. But here we go. Stop me out. Now it's gonna go up. Either way, if you tuned in, appreciate you tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell because we are doing a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. I don't know what profit I'm gonna be giving away, or maybe it's just a cash giveaway. I give out money. Who knows? But we're done. I don't know if the market's gonna be open tomorrow because it's Good Friday. If not, then we'll see you guys next week.